Here we are on Duncan and Gary's Sunday Workshop. Duncan! What are we doing today, Duncan?
Making nuts.
Hey! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What nuts we making?
Here's one I prepared earlier.
It's a Blue Peter theme.
A Lambretta exhaust nut.
Cool.
Extended.
I like a good extension.
Alright.
How you making one?
Slow speed, a little bit more. We're going to pile it all in so we get a dead centre, or else it'll be stuffed.
So what's next, Duncan?
Drilling. Lube.
I like lube, Duncan. Bend over. More lube. I like a good slap of lube, don't you, Duncan? Is it finished yet, Duncan?
No. Now we've got to thread it.
Fred, who's Fred?
Right,
Fred Dibner. Oh,
Yeah,
right said
right,
Fred.
Fred, look.
Yes, right said Fred. I look a little bit like right said Fred, eh? No, I'm not a slaphead. More lube.
More lube.
Why, you're you and me, Duncan, eh? I'm getting all lubied up.
Speed down.
Yep.
What
What are you doing? Are you threading it?
I'm threading it. Are you ready? Actually, it's called tapping.
Tapping.
I think you've done a bit of tapping in your time,
I
haven't
have
you?
done a bit of tapping.
Watch. You ready? Reverse. Wow, out she comes.
I'm impressed, Duncan, I say. You're looking very professional with your glasses on and your false teeth in for a change.
Now for the technical bit.
The technical bit.
We're going to mark it 15, 25. And just to be on the safe side, there'll be a lot of people saying, why don't you use this, why don't you gauge that? But hey, this is me, that's how I do it. No, put some more lube on.
Some more lube. You're really lubing up today, eh?
Yes, because that lube is
Hang on.
from our sponsors, Fenwick's.
Thanks, Duncan. Yes, Fenwick's. Fenwick's brake fluid. Fenwick's this, Fenwick's that. You can bloody have top and tail Fenwick's for all I care. Oven cleaner, this cleaner, that cleaner. It's a great product. Don't forget, Fenwick's. Make it easy on yourself, boys and girls. Fenwick's now.
So what's next, Dunks?
Now I'm going to what's it called?
He's stuck.
I'm going to face this.
You are going to face it.
I'm going to face it.
Because that's the
Fucking
face he's doing at the bottom. Yeah. That's what. Oh, he said bottom. We like to say bottom. Well, we say every fucking thing else.
So now we'll up our speed again, but this time we're going into gear. Auto.
Is it a 5-speed AF?
But it's 462 reps per minute. Well, look at you go.
Right, Duncan, that's that done. The face has been done.
It, now we're going to part.
Are you one of the faces?
We're going to part it now.
You're going to part it?
Yeah.
Unlike my hairline?
Yeah. But these parts don't smell.
Thank you.
More lube. There we have a nut.
And it's done. And all I can say is you'd have to be nuts to hang round here, eh? And that's it. And it's going to be for sale. Hang on,
Yeah.
I feel another advert.
Cheers.
I feel another advert.
Oh yeah. Duncan and Gary's Sunday Workshop special.
And
Nuts.
at $10 for a pair. And who doesn't like a good pair?
Of nuts.
Yeah. Get you.